Well, we're sitting in this car getting ready to go outside, do a job. So, why are we sitting in the car? Well, here's why. I guess everybody's gonna get in the car once they see this. Well, anyhow, let's get out and I'll show you. This is extreme one. Reason for that is if we do it right now, then tonight the owner of this car is gonna be able to see everything in this type of weather. This is 2011 Hyundai Sonata, one of the simplest and cheapest models you can get. Has daytime running lights, but it has projector headlights. That's why we need a 4-chip LED conversion. Let's begin. Pop up the hood the usual way. See all this mess right here? Pretty simple with the passenger side. It's very open. You need to take this cap out. Okay, out. Nice and simple. Put it somewhere. It's a H7 bulb. What you have to do is first is take the connector out. Okay, make sure it doesn't fall in. It will be easier for you to get it out. See this spring right here? What you gotta do is push this and slide to the side. And then you take the light bulb out. Nice and easy, okay? Next, what you do is take one of these conversion kits. Okay. Make sure you put it inside with this little pin going down. It has to go like this, inside the headlight. Here's the problem here. We have to take this the glass off. The glass. And we have to take this piece out. That's a base. This is the only way to lock it in place. Watch. Take this base and you put it this way. I don't know if the picture is upside down or not. And then you lock the spring in. When you lock this in place, then you take the rest, which is this thing, this kit without glass on it, and try to put that back in there and lock it in place. Okay, it's in. Now what you gotta do is turn the lights on and connect. Since these wires are both yellow, so you gotta figure out polarity. Okay, here we go. And our usual thing is, let's hide the wires. What you do is you basically try to put everything inside, kind of wrap it around. So the bulb installs not exactly in the middle, so you have a little bit of space to stick everything inside. This is not a high-low beam projector. It's a single beam. It's a single position. So if you installing one a little bit bigger than this, what you do is you can take this out slightly, then stick everything inside like this. Basically, stick everything inside nice and carefully. There's enough room in there, trust me. Be gentle and careful so you don't move the projector itself out of its place. Alright, when everything's inside, then you put it back in there and you lock it in place. Okay, now it's ready for the cap to go on. Remember how we did in other cars? We have to make a little hole in there. Our favorite tool. Where's our favorite tool? Here it is. I better put it upside down and do it somewhere right here or something. This is a good plastic. Of course, it's a lot easier to do it with the drill. Just make two little holes and you'll be good to go. Good to go. Alright, now put the cap back on. And that's it. The other side is a little bit harder due to battery being here in the way. Wow, it's nasty. Alright, but I took the cover off already. The spring, do the same thing with the spring. put it in and connect it the same way. You know, simply unscrew this, take this out, take this off, leave it here, make sure it doesn't get any wet or dirty, and put this in there. This spring right here, you know, it's kind of bent. You might want to make it a little bit straight so that it will lock in easily. Low beams and high beams together, and now low beams without high beams.